It's the morning of day 8. Woke up to coyotes howling. They've been at it all morning, but not a bad alarm clock. It's pretty cool actually. We're going to walk into Breckenridge today. We have about a 12-mile hike. It is 7:07 and it's time to get going. Shoot, I don't know how we're going to cross this one. Shout out to Little Skittle for that joke. We're sharing a trail with CDT hikers as well, so I guess you could say I am through hiking the Colorado section of the CDT. We have a pretty big climb right now. They call this ascent Vomit Hill, especially for the bike packers. It's pretty steep, and then we have a steep descent into town. And honestly, when you're going uphill, it's like you beg to go downhill just for some relief. But then after you are climbing downhill, it's so hard on your legs and you just end up begging to go uphill again. It's a funny game we play out here. Parks. Some people are wondering how our bodies are feeling. Are you experiencing anything weird?
I'm not experiencing anything too weird at this very second. There have been moments where my stomach has done some weird things due to Twinkies. And my ankle occasionally feels weird, but no, I'm doing alright. Doing all good.
I feel pretty good. My hips hurt. I tweaked my left ankle 2 days ago. Wasn't feeling great yesterday. Feeling a whole lot better today, just a little stiff. Some weird things that are happening now is like right before bed, like my legs are like buzzing. Like I have like restless leg syndrome because I'm just so used to walking all day. But that's pretty short-lived because I'm so tired at night that I just pass out. And then also have like weird tingling sensations like on my back and in my arms sometimes. I don't know why. Might just be like my backpack and like prohibiting some of the circulation going to my limbs. But other than that, I feel really good. I'm definitely getting used to like big miles. Aren't you?
Yep.
Do you have like really vivid dreams at night?
I don't have dreams.
I have super vivid dreams at night, and I don't know why. Maybe it's just because like my mind isn't used to like 0 distractions throughout the day, so I just remember everything. I had a dream last night that I watched like thousands of turtles hatch. Yeah. Weird. There's Breckenridge right down there. So close yet so far. And I think that is our trail all the way down there too. These flowers are so pretty. Look at all these. What a beaut. A 100 miles! Yay! We did it. Now how many more to go?
300? 400? 400, my bad.
Something. My feet are so dirty and they're just impossible to keep clean. And check out that blister. It is so painful. It's a deep one. I'm not used to this much stimulation. We are waiting for the shuttle to pick us up. And it should be here in about 5 minutes. I look like I'm in the Book of Eli or Mad Max or something. We're on the bus. This is the first time I've stared at myself in the mirror. I look so different. I'm wearing my rain gear because all my clothes are in the laundry right now. I'm about to take my first shower. We are feasting!
Yep. We're about to pop the blister.
I think you just thread it through, right? Is it popping out the other end?
Yeah, it's already out.
Alright, so then I think you just like
pull
the string through.
Oh
gosh. And then I just cut it, I assume.
Do you leave the string in?
Yeah, I think you do. So you just kind of let it. Cheers! So I'm resupplying for the next few days, and this is like what I'm craving the most. So I hear spinach holds pretty well on trail. We'll see how it goes. Here's our bag, and here's Sam's. The appetite of a 17-year-old.
So I'll make sure and let people know. By the way, there is a blender in here too.
If you want to like powderize something like a soup mix,
Off to the bus to get back on trail. We got Sam, Karate Kid, Parks, it's Blockbuster down there. So apparently we're climbing over that today. Lord help me. That was by far the most physically challenging part of the trail thus far.
Yep.
But I made it!
Still not yet.
Shut up. We still got like all the way up. There we go. Should have taken the gondola, yeah.
Do you even see a gondola?
We came from all the way down there. Parks is going to attempt sledding. Don't hurt yourself.
Oh yeah.
Too much traction.
I don't know if it'll work. Could have been a better outcome.
We are trying to run from this. I think it's going the other way though. And the climb continues.
Winds? No, because the storm systems here move from west to east. That's southeast. And we're headed west.
These guys are so funny. We just barely missed that storm. Whew, we timed that perfectly. Saw a break in the clouds and went for it. You can talk.
Here we are. We're at the top of this mountain, close to it. Down here is Copper Mountain Resort, and here's the slopes. This is where Jim Carrey had one of his first ever movies. I don't actually know if they filmed it at Copper Mountain, but maybe they did. It's cool. There she goes. Oh my gosh.
Okay.
It's quite slippery, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That actually looks really good.
I've already been drinking these though, so. Mountain snow cone.
It's been 12 hours since my last shower and I already smell like trash. We're getting food. I'm ordering a salad. I'm very excited. He ordered the Nashville hot chicken sandwich.
Oh Lord. I don't even have much water.
So we'll see what we end up doing tonight. I really want a room.
We can go there tomorrow.
So we ended up getting back on trail while it was raining. We walked for about another mile and there was no place to camp, so we're currently camped on a dirt road off on the shoulder, and there's rocks under a tent. Our tent got soaked, everything is wet. That hotel sure does sound nice right now.
Yeah, but man, I saved $1.
Naps and Sam walked all the way down there to get us this. I'm in heaven. I think we're about to climb that mountain right there. We're going over another pass today. I want to show y'all something. This is a debris field from an avalanche. It's crazy to see how much force an avalanche has.
Currently got probably another 10 miles today. Camp about 8 from a hitch to Leadville, where we may stay another night, have a little hot tub, and feel better. So we'll see. Here we go.
It is so pretty, but I am just so fatigued right now. I don't know if it's the air or just yesterday's climb, but I'm going at like a snail's pace. It's pretty discouraging. Like, I've only hiked 5 miles and I'm just like, how am I gonna do 11 more today? I don't know. So that climb was traumatic. I don't know if it was elevation, but like halfway over the pass, I just literally had no energy left in me and I really needed a break. But I pushed it knowing that I was gonna have a lunch break at the top. And then I come to find out that there's a storm coming on the other side and we didn't have time to stop. So then I just pushed it even more. And then like my energy it was gone and I couldn't go any faster and the storm was coming and I was just sobbing the whole time. And yeah, and my ankles started hurting again. It's a rough day. I mean, it's really pretty. But it's been really hard. Physically and emotionally. Park's overview of day 11.
It was a heck of a time. A bunch of incline. Could not get much energy going.
Me or you?
Well, her. And me at times.
It's been raining for basically 24 hours straight, so does some things to your morale. Today was really, really tough. Yeah. But tomorrow, we've got a reservation at the Colorado Trail House in Leadville, so we're going to spend the night there. and take a Nero probably. So we've got like an 8-mile hike and then we'll leave the next day.
I'm excited.
And I'm just praying for sunshine. The worst feeling in the world is putting on wet shoes in the morning. I love it.
Hoping we don't have any rain today, but we probably will. At least it'll be pretty.
I got my cold brew cooking. I am one of those people who can't start my day off without coffee. It's a curse out here. One thing I learned out here is you cannot fight nature. You have to work with it. And as much as it sucks to hike in the rain provides so much for this valley, for the animals, and it looks like we've got some blue skies. And it is such a morale booster. It makes you appreciate the sun, and when the sun gets annoying, makes you appreciate the rain. We found our friends. The sun is shining. Oh, it's amazing. And literally just boosts your mood so much. We're only a couple miles away from where we're going to hitch into Leadville. My ankle's feeling a lot better today. I've had a road walk for about 4 miles, so it's nice and easy on your feet. It is 10:50 and I've already eaten breakfast 4 times and I'm already ready for lunch. Yeah, it's been a good day so far. First real trail magic. What are your names?
I'm Jarrett.
Jarrett.
Jug's my trail name. Elon's my... I was stupid late. I had like 10 pounds.
You hike the CT, are you guys CT hikers?
Yeah, we just finished. I finished pretty recently. He finished a little bit. I finished July 3rd.
Ooh, really? That's awesome. Well, thank you.
Oh.
Hi.
Are we gonna? Can we close the back door?
15, pretty much.
Okay dudes, here we are. We are currently in Leadville. Millanzana is right up here on the right. Very famous, very good, but it's closed. Can't get a sweatshirt. They're not there. Okay, so we're gonna go to this hostel in a second. It's gonna be really good. Got our face mask on. Got my trekking poles. Got my backpack. My sunglasses. Let's go.
Leadville. Here's our hostel. Oh, sweet Jesus.
It's so authentic that segregation had like just on the...
Look, we found an actual bench. And here's our view. I'm propping my ankle up because it is once again hurting. Oh my gosh, there's a bee on my finger. Parks.
Sorry.
Anyways. Oh my god, stop! Leave me alone! That looks like a bee. Anyways. I'm hobbling down this. Oh, get off my finger! God, please don't sting me. Alright, Parks, I think it is a bee. Stop. Why won't it leave me alone? I'm just gonna stop recording.